Hello, welcome back to Universal of Technology TV. Remember to make subscribe for more videos from this channel. In today's video I'm going to show and tell you how or what to do when you see T warning light flashes on car's dashboard. Whenever engine coolant temperature warning light is illuminated, you have to immediately stop your car to avoid serious cars problems. ECT means engine coolant temperature. ECT light flashes on car's dashboard whenever engine is overheating or when engine is having excessive heat than usually. So, if this coolant temperature warning light flashes, you have to immediately park your car aside and troubleshoot the problem. What to check after parking a car? Normally car's engine overheats when the engine cooling system has a problem. You have to check car's cooling system when engine coolant temperature warning light is flashing. First, check coolant level in reservoirs. If it's between maximum and minimum lines, a coolant reservoir is transparent object, you can see the level of coolant, and if coolant is below minimum line you have to top more but not above maximum line. Secondly, check radiator fan if it's rotating in right direction. You know that radiator fan keeps air moving through radiator when car is either stationary or moving for cooling hot water from upper to lower radiator through radiator cores. That's why, if fan is not functioning as intended, the cooling system won't be able to cool engine. Check your radiator fan if it is functioning properly. Check engine light sensor. You have to check it also because it's what tells you how engine temperature is. If it functions improperly, it will tell you wrong information. For instance, if it is fault, it can tell you the engine is overheating but in reality not. At that time you will illuminate engine coolant temperature warning light on your car dashboard. That's why you have to check your engine check sensor. Also check car's radiator. Radiator is basically called heat exchanger because it transfers heat from engine to air which is passing through it. So, for proper constant engine temperature, this radiator should be maintained and checked. Here you check if coolant is flowing with engine running but during cold starting. That before make any check on your cooling system you have to wait for at least 30 minutes. Remove radiator cap with engine running and check coolant flow in radiator. If coolant is not flowing, your radiator is clogged and you may use air compressor to blow out all restrictions after radiator removal. 5. Check the condition of water pump and water pump belt. 6th, check the condition of thermostat. You know thermostat block coolant flow to radiator when engine is not at the normal operating temperature and allow flow to radiator when engine is at the normal operating temperature. If it's not opening, the hot coolant will remain inside engine which will lead to engine overheating. Thank you for watching this video. If you found that this video is useful, make it share with family and friends and remember to make subscribe. Thank you.